guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be a quick little Frank Garcia Studio haul. Yesterday you guys saw the little tour, but it was way too long for me to add a like a haul on the end of it as well, so I just did two separate videos. So this is what I picked up from the store. So first thing are these, it says 49 in Market wishing bubbles. They're like these epoxy stickers. I don't know if you can see right here, but they're kind of like bubbles. They look like bubbles. I'm gonna make these creepy, I guess. It's not what they were meant for, but I'm totally gonna make these creepy for Halloween project I have in mind. And then I picked up these Venetian shutters, these little like wood shutters. So you just would put this on the top of like your mini album or something, as you can see like right here. And I'm going to, again, I'm going to make these creepy, my idea. Super excited for that. Just stress that, make it creepy. Then I did go for the Golden Coast collection. So this is, I know there's 2 packs of ephemera, but he only had 1. The rest were sold out. That's what I get for lagging. But those are the pieces that are in there. Super cute. Lots of gold foiling. Then I picked up my first ever score tape. I am planning to make my first ever mini album. I've never made one before, so I'm needing some strong stuff. So I got this 1/2 inch, 27 yards. And then what else? Oh, and then I picked up some of these Tim Holtz Ideology bone, little like skeleton bones. Everything that I buy, I have like a vision in my mind and in my head of like what I'm gonna do with it. And I know exactly what I'm gonna do with these, so I hope that it works. Cute little skelly bones. And then I did pick up this mini album right here. This is the square version. Let's see, 6.5 by 6.5. I literally just ordered the day before the same exact Prima by Frank Garcia. Some like gatefold one, and then the big large one that's like 8 by 8. So this is it, $9.99. And you can paint these. Frank had a tutorial on scrapbook.com because I was like, will chipboard warp if I paint it? But it looks perfect, and I'm working on a Halloween one. And then I picked up the Golden Coast 6x6 paper pad. Look at how cute. Oh, come on. Okay, so the Golden Coast, this is the 6x6. They were sold out of the 12x12, so I just got what I could. And it's double-sided, so the florals, look how cute. Like, it's a pastel beachy summery theme. Look at salty but sweet. Look at that little pineapple. Like, when I saw the sneak peeks of the release, I was like, oh, I gotta get that collection. Look at this page right here. I did buy the single sheets of this because it has gold foiling on it. How gorgeous, you guys. Look at the cute little seahorses. Little sailboats on the back. Again, look at that like little crab. This is a really stunning piece. And you can cut these little pieces apart, kind of make your own ephemera. Super cute, right? And then they did have the, I don't know, I've never even had a paper pad this size. This is a 8.27 by 11.69, I guess an A4 size. Like I said, I was trying to get what I could. Okay, so let's see. This does look very similar, but a bigger size than the 6x6. Definitely what it is. It's a big size. So it looks like it's kind of like half the size of a 12x12, if not a little bigger. Because I think it said 8 inches. So it's a decent size, as you can see by the size of my hand. So there's that guy. And then I picked up some of this Prima metallic paints where it had all the samples, you know, of what you were going to get. This is like the gold. Let's see. Ancient coin color gold. Again, I want to use this for a Halloween project. And then I picked up some of the cute little liquid pearls. I picked it up in pumpkin. And then I picked it up in the ancient gold. Liquid pearls. Go with the rest of its brothers and sisters in my organization. Then, like I said, I picked up some of the 12x12 in the single sheets. So look at this, look at the close-ups of these, you guys. It is a gorgeous collection. So sad I didn't get it sooner, but I was not in the crafty mood for several months. So I got this. This one looks similar, but it is different. Cute little shutters. How cute. Look at that air balloon, you guys. Again with the gold foiling, just stunning. Oh, and this is the back side of those two. Again, pretty paper with like a pastel map in the background. And then I got several of these guys. Oh, lots of them. Look at this one. I really love this one. It's got like a little cluster in the corner and then the map. And then another little cluster with foiling down in the corner. That little seahorse. So dainty and pretty. And then again, I got one more of that crab one. Oh, what's on the back side of this one? Ooh, look at that. Very cute. Almost looks tropically, if that's a word. And it all came in a really cute bag. Pink bag. So yeah, that is my quick little Frank Garcia Studio haul, and I will catch you guys on the next crafty video. Bye guys.